All right, here's a nice question. You're asked to find the zeros of the following function. So I let f of x equals 0. And then to solve this, I either try and factor it or use the quadratic formula. I don't think you can factor it. So let's use the formula. Minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And that all over is an important thing. So minus something plus or minus something squared minus 4 times something all over 2 times something. And those somethings are, okay, b is a negative 5, a is a 3, and c is a negative 13, and a is a 3. So when I do this, this will be a positive 5 plus or minus square root of 25. I think that's plus 156 all over 6. Whoops. And then 5 plus or minus square root of 181 all over 6. And you have to be careful with this fraction line. Some people will write this as 5 plus or minus root 181 over 6, but that and this are different things. Where that fraction line, it's important that that 6 is a common denominator for both the 5 and the root 81, so the fraction line has to be over all of it. You could write it, and I think typing it into MyLabs, they would want this, but you could write it as 5 over 6 plus or minus root 181 over 6. That would be okay too. But to write it as just 5 plus or minus root 181 over 6, that this 6 here is only under the 181, not under the 5, and it's supposed to be under the 5 too. All right, good question.